easy look. I don't want to wear a lot of makeup. I don't want to do it. You know, I'm not even wearing it right now. I went and took everything off. Like, it's hot out. We don't need all that makeup. Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is Boxy versus Ipsy June edition. So if you're new here, hey, hi, nice to meet you. Hit subscribe. I'm here for you every Tuesday, most Tuesdays, to help give your look a kiss. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, subscribe, comment down below. We'll have a little conversation. Yes, great. So, Boxy versus Ipsy, June 2022. What is the challenge? Well, June's challenge is going to be finally getting together my summer glam look. Since I can go back in the world now. Yay! Let's get this thing rolling. We're gonna start with Ipsy. Why are we starting with Ipsy? Oh my God, have you seen a cuter bag? Look at how adorable this is. This has summer amazing vibes written all over it. It's bright, it's fun. I love the popsicles. This is, yeah, wow. This might actually be my carry around little poolside bag. Yee, stoked on that. Let's break into it. All right, first item, we have the Shades by Shan, but first, lips. Cool. So this is a liquid matte lip set. Cool, so we have our matte lip color and a lip liner. Ooh, okay. So it looks like it would be like a Sharpie kind of pencil. I like that it's got this little twist on the bottom. Let's check this shade out. Yeah, I mean, I'm not really into this color, but since it is a 2-item package, let's see it with the lip. Maybe it works a little better for me. It's kind of like a burnt clay kind of look. It's a little brown orange for me. I like the feel of the product on my lips, but it looks a little pinkier from the outside, like it'd be more of a peach tone, but the application is really burnt orange. Okay, so this is not a summer glam look for me, but for someone, I'm sure it's great. Thank you, Shades by Shan. But it's just not for me. Next item. Okay, let's look at this. I am gonna say this all kinds of wrong. Dr. Zenova Hyaluronic Acid and Peptide Serum. Ooh. Goopy. No fragrance to the product, I like that. Circular motions. I can see using this. This serum has like a nice, wonder how that, oh, firms, nourishes, plumps, and tones skin. Okay, let's see if this I think I like this. I like that there isn't a aroma to it. It's rich with oxidants, antioxidants. We don't put more oxidants on our face. Lord, I can't get it together. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do a point for this because this is a solid, not just summer product, but a year-round product. I do like a heavier serum. I do use hyaluronic acid daily. So this definitely is working its way into my regimen. Point. Okay, item number 3 from Ipsy is the Triple Antioxidant Face Cream by Dr. Brandt. Okay, Dr. Brandt, what do you have for me and how shall I use you? Apply on cleansed skin. Well, we have on our, oh, that would have made more, I just did like a facial regimen backwards. This should have gone on first, but you know what? We're gonna give it the tattoo test. Another fragrance-free product. Love that. Love the consistency of it. Nice creamy, not too heavy feeling moisturizer. All right, let's check her out. Ooh, very fresh. It's fresh, it's light. Yeah, I could definitely see using this with the hyaluronic acid serum, applying this moisturizer, and then this heavier serum. I think this will work well in a summer regimen. Remember guys, moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. 2 points for Ipsy. All right. Item number 4. Ooh, Complex Culture sent a sun bath baked bronzer. Now, I don't use bronzer, but I have a lot of them. I do use them when I do other people's makeup when I'm doing a job. I do like Complex Culture. I have a blush by them that I'm just in love with. Cute packaging, love this. Ooh. Let's check her out. Oh, wow. You know, that's actually so fair of a bronzer. I probably could use this to contour some. I think, cool. Doesn't fit my summer look challenge, but into this. And last up, in the Ipsy bag this month, Galactic sent a metallic eyeshadow stick. That's a cool color. This metallic blue. It's kind of a minty metallic. Let's check this out here. Ooh, so metallic. That's fun. It is very creamy. Check it out on the eye. It's not in the pinks, but I think this, yeah, this looks like it is spot on like my eye color. So this is definitely, I want to see how it sits on the lid for a little bit because it is kind of liquidy, not liquidy, like creamy. I just want to see how it sits. But probably need a primer with this to get it to like stay nice when you're like sweating. Yeah, but okay. Thank you sending me my eye color, Ipsy. We're gonna work this one in. 3 points on Ipsy. Cool. So we are 3 out of 5 on our Ipsy challenge. Oh, we didn't take time to appreciate the card, did we? Show your colors. So they sent this month a 5 ingredients card. These natural ingredients, they're using in a lot of products. So yeah, here's what they're up to. This is cute. This is telling us like what each item, what each fruit is doing in the product. So for example, blueberries, oxidant rich to help fight free radicals, tame inflation, and boost your SPF. Time for Boxy. Fresh face, fair chance. Let's go. So right off the top, we've got our Volition Turmeric Brightening Polish. And this is for face and body, which, as we talked about in the previous May Boxy versus Ipsy video, what's really gonna be on trend this year, aside from streamlining our facial care regimen, is also incorporating a lot of body care with that. So body exfoliators, moisturizers, and all the sorts and serums. Okay, that turmeric is real in there, but not too much. Not too much. It's actually, you can smell the turmeric. It is a little more subtle than most turmeric products that I've tried. You do have your little exfoliator beads in here. It's kind of honey in its consistency, and I'm digging that. Cool. Okay, I could definitely get down with this. I have a, you know, I tend to get a little dry skin, or if you're gonna be out in the sun, you wanna like exfoliate all the stuff off of you, all the sunscreen. This is something I think I'm definitely gonna use this year. We'll start tomorrow. Yes! Beach day, post beach day, I'm gonna scrub. So let's go ahead and give our buddy Boxy a little point. Up next in the box, let's go with the, another Dr. Brandt product. And this one is the Black Light Primer Base. Oh, this is really hard to see. Let's check her out. There's a color to it. And a very light perfume. Apply on clean, moisturized skin. Use alone for natural bounce of light on the skin. And under makeup to prep your skin for a flawless application AM and PM. Okay. So let's go around an eye. I don't know how I'm feeling about it. I don't know how I feel about the way it's like sitting, because it just feels really heavy and like it's doing something. Prime. I don't know if this is something I would use regularly in my summer look. I mean, yeah, Next up, we have another double company. Boxy also sent a Complex Culture product. So, just like the bronzer from the Ipsy. Same company, great. And this is their Filter Out Daily Blue Light Defense Mist. It's a light fragrance to it, but it's honestly not bad. Let's go. 2 points. Bust. We've got our Boxy full-size palette, and this month it's the Violet Voss Sun-Kissed Summer Palette. Cool. So let's check this out. I like this packaging a lot. This is really cute with the tiger stripes kind of vaguely doing this like bottom heart deal. Adorbs. Here for it. Okay, wow, this is definitely a summery, sunshiny palette. We've got Glow On, Cool Down, Sunny's Out, Berry Hot, Tan Lines, Heat Wave, Gold Coast, Sensation. That's a really pretty kind of mustardy yellow, that Sensation. Sunkissed and Sandbar. Oh. Okay, so this Sunny's Out looks like it would be a little more pink toned, a little more like pinky champagne. It definitely comes out a little more in a copper, is what I'm seeing. Like a rose gold kind of deal, which is cute. Was not expecting that in a sweat. Okay, so what does Glow On look like? Oh, Glow On is a very like nice, subtle gold. Cute. But I don't really wear gold. Killing me. Let's look at Cool Down actually. This kind of matte blush tone. Oh, that comes out way different. Let's try it on my primed eye. I can't say that I like it. I can't say that I'm like, I love this packaging, but I'm not really here for the palette. Looks like a Berry's Hot. Maybe Berry Hot? A little of a neutral for me. Do it nice and big so y'all can see it. It's glittery. It definitely has a lot of like pow to it. In terms of the colors though, I'm not gonna reach for these. It's just not gonna happen. I'm sorry, Boxy, I'm sorry. Last item, Moonlit. We've got another lip item, a lip pencil, and our color is Core. Loom number 79. Okay. I do love this packaging a lot. I think this is really pretty. Same on the pencil. This is just really pretty packaging on the products, and I do love that. All right. See if it's another burnt orange look. Please be more pink. Okay, let's talk about it. Not in love with the color, but this actually went on really nice, and it's sitting really nice. It is also not like a long wear. This is definitely gonna like come off. I'm gonna need to like reapply. Am I gonna use it? No. No. This is... No, it's more red than pink for me. So this is just, it's just slightly off where I like to be in my color palette. But I do like the product. So I would venture to check out some of the other shades from Moonlit. Because I'm digging this product, and I wouldn't mind if it was something I had to like reapply, because it's something so small I can just throw in a bag. But because of the color, no point. Okay, so final thoughts. Let's tally this up. Think I forgot to say earlier in the video, both of these subscription boxes, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and the Boxy Charm base box, are both in the $30 range. They both include 5 full-size products every month. You can set up your profile online, ipsy.com, boxycharm.com. I've got the links down below. You can just go click, just make it happen. So let's tally it up. We have 3 on Ipsy and only 2 on Boxy this month. 2 out of 5 and only 3 out of 5. Overall, for June Boxy versus Ipsy, I'm a little overall disappointed, which I guess is fair, you know. There's 2 products I'm gonna use out of here. Maybe 3 if I play with that primer, but however, I'm in love with this Ipsy bag this month, so I almost want to give another point for that. Ipsy takes it, and I think just because of this bag, I probably would have given it to Ipsy in the end anyways, because I'm really in love with this. June 2022, Ipsy takes the challenge for our summer glam look. If you're liking what you're seeing, guys, hang out, subscribe, stick around, hit that like button, leave a comment, have a little conversation. Tell me about your subscription boxes this month. Were you disappointed? Were you over the moon? Are you also in love with this bag? Do you totally hate it? I really hope you don't. This is so cute. I'm literally gonna take all the products out and go use it right now. So thank you guys so much for being here with me this week. You can check me out on social media, Facebook and Instagram. Give your hair a kiss. Check me out at giveyourhairakiss.com. While you're there and happen to find yourself in the New York City area, you can book an appointment with me. Kiss here in the kissing booth. We'll have a great time. But until next Tuesday, guys, give your hair a kiss.